Hi! Today we'll unbox the Miele CX1 bagless vacuum cleaner and give it a try. As expected from Miele, it's not just a vacuum cleaner. It's a true piece of art, which is confirmed by the Red Dot Winner 2021 award in the design category. This model is powerful, quiet, and comes with a rich set of accessories. It's bagless, so you don't need to spend money on dust bags, and it uses Vortex technology to provide strong airflow and excellent suction power. It comes with a 6.5-meter, 255-inch, long cable, allowing you to clean within a 10-meter radius without constantly switching power outlets. A nice bonus is that it uses a HEPA filter for the output air, which means no dust is returned to the room. Of course, this filter should be replaced at least once a year, but it's a great feature. The dust container filters is washable, and I'll show how to do a deep clean once it gets full. It also has multiple layers of filtration. It has several speed settings and a nice telescopic handle, so you don't have to vacuum your rooms with a bent back. But now, let's start unboxing, followed by a full setup and test. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll definitely answer them.